Bananas have many health benefits for the body, which I will share with you in this video. For more interesting information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. The banana is one of the most popular and widely consumed fruits in the world. It's not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that are highly beneficial for our health. Bananas provide natural energy, essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that support many vital functions of the body. Health benefits of bananas: instant energy boost. Bananas are a great source of natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose, which quickly provide energy, perfect for when you're tired or after exercise. Good for the heart. Bananas are rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and reduces the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Improves digestion. Bananas contain dietary fiber, which helps relieve stomach issues such as constipation and acidity, and promotes healthy digestion. Enhances mental calmness. Bananas contain tryptophan, a compound that helps the body produce serotonin, a hormone that improves mood and promotes relaxation. Prevents anemia. Bananas have vitamin B6, which is essential in the production of red blood cells and helps prevent anemia, low blood count.